welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BJP wins Lok Sabha semi-finals, sweeps polls in MP Rajasthan. Aam Aadmi Party's broom sweeps Congress in Delhi, 27 MLAs in debut. Kejriwal a giant killer. People want change. AAP reduced BJP's tally in Delhi. Parrikar takes cognizance. AAP's rise a concern for BJP. AAP says will contest both Lok Sabha Goa seats. Re-verification of extracted ore at jetties, yards and mines begins. UV Singh committee inspects MPT yards, Sawadek Upshare jetty and Kodli mines. Report in 15 days. Shoma challenges media reports in Tejpal case, reacts sharply, says it's all false. Media reports false. Shoma interrogated for almost 4 hours at Goa Crime Branch. And Kenyan participant Daniel Gagan wins Goa River Marathon. Over 1,500 international and national marathoners participate in 21-kilometer marathon. Response doubles. Now news in detail. BJP has won the Lok Sabha semi-finals 4-0. Barring neck-to-neck battle between Congress and BJP in Chhattisgarh, BJP swept polls in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. While Aam Aadmi Party's broom with a strength of 27 MLAs in its debut swept Congress in Delhi, the new entrant in political arena Kejriwal defeated 3-time CM Sheila Dikshit. Political analysts are hinting towards good days ahead for BJP in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Mizoram results will be declared on Monday.
और जिस दिन इस देश की आम जनता खड़ी हो जाती है, उस दिन बड़े-बड़े सिंहासन डोल जाते हैं। ये जीत आम आदमी पार्टी की जीत नहीं है, ये हमारी जीत नहीं है, ये इस देश के लोगों की जीत है। पहली बार ये साबित हो गया कि इस देश में लोग ईमानदारी से चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं और ईमानदार और देशभक्त लोग भी चुनावी राजनीति में आ सकते हैं और देश की सेवा कर सकते हैं।
Sunday results of the 4 states gave a ray of hope to the BJP for the Lok Sabha polls. Except the prediction in Chhattisgarh polls, the exit poll results were almost accurate. BJP swept Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, while Aam Aadmi's broom with BJP swept away 3-term ruling Congress in Delhi. However, Congress and BJP had a tough fight in the state of Chhattisgarh. The new party in politics, the Aam Aadmi Party, made a fantastic debut in Delhi elections. Arvind Kejriwal defeated Sheila Dikshit by almost 22,000 votes. Vasundhara Raje in Rajasthan and Shivraj Chauhan in Madhya Pradesh are sure for the Chief Minister's post. While in Delhi, Harshvardhan is planning his strategies. Rajnath Singh confidently says this is Modi effect and all 4 states will have the BJP government.
उस एंटी इनकम्बेंसी का सर्वाधिक लाभ यदि किसी ने उठाया है तो आपने उठाया। अधिकतर लोगों ने यहाँ पसंद नहीं किया, अधिकतर लोगों ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को दिल्ली में पसंद किया है।
Very disappointed at the results, but we accept the verdict of the people in all humility. We congratulate our opponents. People need not worry. At the opportune time, the Prime Ministerial candidate, the name of him will be announced.
I think the Aam Aadmi Party has involved a lot of people who the traditional parties did not involve. We are going to learn from that.
पूरा विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में हम दिल्ली की जनता की पूरी ईमानदारी और निस्वार्थ भाव से सेवा करेंगे। मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की आम आदमी पार्टी को भी बधाई देना चाहता हूं।
That's all I can say just now. What has to be analyzed will be done later. What went wrong, what didn't go wrong.
छत्तीसगढ़ में भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हैट्रिक पूरा किया है। छत्तीसगढ़ के 2.5 करोड़ जनता को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं।
मैं अभिभूत हूं। जनता का प्यार और आशीर्वाद तीसरी बार लगातार मध्य प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मिला है। सचमुच में ये जीत मध्य प्रदेश की जनता के विश्वास की जीत है।
इसमें मोदी जी का एक बहुत बड़ा श्रेय है इसके अंदर, क्योंकि मैं कह रही हूँ ना, हमारे यहाँ राजस्थान के अंदर तो लोग उस इंटरेस्टेड है।
Anna Hazare expressed his happiness on performance. However, Anna says there is still a bigger and tougher task ahead for Kejriwal and company.
लेकिन हम लोग जो सोच रहे थे वो कहाँ तक पूरा होगा वो शंका है। लोकतंत्र देश में लाना, अभी अरविंद बहुमत से नहीं आया, किसी न किसी का सहारा लेना पड़ेगा।
Now have a look at the performance of the Congress and the BJP in the last assembly elections in the 4 states. As per the results in 4 states on Sunday, BJP has raised its tally by 25 to 50%. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party has swept Congress in Delhi. In its debut performance, Aam claimed 27 seats. BJP tally increased in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh with Uma Bharti's comeback. Aam Aadmi Party swept Congress in Delhi. It's almost BJP versus AAP in Delhi now. With the results in 4 states, political experts expect good days ahead for the Lotus Party at the centre. However, it was a grand day for Aam Aadmi with its shining performance in debut, a concern for BJP. Bureau Report, Prudent.
People want a change and it is clear with the Sunday poll results. Chief Minister Parrikar has reacted on the poll results. Parrikar says Aam Aadmi Party has reduced BJP's tally in Delhi. He is confident that the results will be similar for the Lok Sabha polls. While the Goa Chief Minister takes the cognizance of AAP's broom, AAP has declared that it will contest both the seats in Goa for Lok Sabha.
BJP won the semi-finals of Lok Sabha on Sunday by sweeping Congress in Delhi and other states barring Chhattisgarh. Interestingly, Aam Aadmi Party will show its presence in the elections along with the Congress and BJP henceforth. This is clear from the debut performance in Delhi. Parrikar says people want a change. He admits that Aam Aadmi Party brought BJP's tally down in Delhi.
निषेध व्यक्त करपाक कंप्लीटली नवीन सेटअपाक वोटिंग केलें. दुसरो जो भाग आसा तो म्हणजे लोकसभेच्या निवडणुकीक दिल्ली बीजेपी स्वीप करपाची क्षमता दवरता. ही सेमी फायनल जिखल्या नंतर फायनलीक आता फुडल्या 4 म्हयन्यान जबरदस्त डॅश मारून देशाचे लोक एनडीएक बहुमत दितले अशी हांव अपेक्षा दवरता. आम आदमी पार्टी जी आहा, दे हॅव मॅनेज टू गेट सबस्टेन्शियली गुड नंबर ऑफ सीट्स. 26-27 सीट या पक्षाक नवी पार्टी आसून सुद्धा, विच इज एन सिग्नल दॅट पीपल वॉन्ट फ्रेश एअर इन द पॉलिटिक्स बिकॉज एंटी आम आदमीमुळे एंटी काँग्रेस वोट स्प्लीट जाली. माझ्या पक्षाक सुद्धा जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट तकलेन धरचो पडटलो की पीपल वॉन्ट फ्रेशनेस.
Aam Aadmi Party says it will contest north and south seats for the Lok Sabha poll.
आम आदमी पार्टी राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है. हमारा संगठन इस देश के 22 राज्यों में हमारा संगठन है और 300 से ज़्यादा जिलों में हमने ऑलरेडी हमारी कमेटियां बना दी है और आने वाले दिनों में हम पूरे भारत में लोकसभा का इलेक्शन लड़ने जा रहे हैं और गोवा में भी हम इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे. अरविंद केजरीवाल से भी मेरी बात हुई है और उन्होंने भी कहा है कि गोवा में जो इश्यू लेके आप आंदोलन चलाने की तैयारी करोगे तो मैं आके आपके साथ मिलके गोवा के आंदोलन में भी बिल्कुल कंधे से कंधा मिला के मैं लड़ूंगा. तो अरविंद जी भी बिल्कुल हमारे साथ लड़ने के लिए आएंगे. पहली दफ़ा ऐसा हुआ है कि वॉलंटियर स्वयं बाहर निकला है और गोवा में भी जैसे आपने कहा कि बहुत सारे एक्टिविस्ट हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे वॉलंटियर हैं जो गोवा में परिवर्तन चाहते हैं. तो इस तरह का परिवर्तन की उम्मीद लेके जो लोग बैठे हैं वो सारे लोगों को आम आदमी पार्टी अपने साथ जुड़ेगी.
When it comes to changing the government, people have considered Aam Aadmi Party as an option, an area of concern for the BJP in the upcoming poll, which is expecting the anti-incumbency effect in its favor. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The re-verification of the extracted iron ore at jetties began from Sunday. The Supreme Court appointed monitoring committee visited MPT and Savarne to assess the quantity and quality of the extracted iron ore on Sunday. The process will take at least 15 days. The committee has directed State Mines Directorate to complete process and submit a report in stipulated deadline.
Monitoring committee visited MPT on Sunday. Committee members Karnataka's Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Dr. U.V. Singh, former member of the Central Board of Direct Taxes Sheikh Naimuddin and Principal Secretary Parimal Rai visited berth number 9 of MPT. Goa Mines Director Prasanna Acharya and other mines officials were present during the inspection. They checked the grade and shape of the extracted iron ore which was stocked at MPT. Sources informed that the MPT has 0.9 million tons of ore stocks. Committee also held talks with the MPT officials. Later, they visited Sawadeh, Kapshe Jetty and Kodli mine. Panel checked the grade and quantity of the extracted ore. As per the sources, committee has given time of 15 days to the State Mines Department to prepare a final report on extracted ore. E-auction of extracted ore will be initiated in the month of January. Reporter Mahesh Kadi and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.